How to fix voicemail notification won't go away in Motorola Edge 70. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, clear phone app data. Open settings, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app, search phone app. Now click on phone app. Scroll down, click on storage at cache and click on clear storage and click on delete. After click on delete, this app's data included files and setting will be permanently deleted from this device. Now go back. After that, reset all setting. Open settings, scroll down, click on system, click on reset option, click on reset device setting and again click on reset device setting. All setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix voicemail notification won't go away in Motorola Edge 70. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.